Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. In our recipe today, we are going to make lentil rice or parupu sadam in Tamil, or it is called dal bhat in Hindi. So we'll see how this rice is being made. It is a pure vegetarian, suitable for Fridays, especially for those who are Catholics. Who are supposed to be abstaining from meat, and this is a perfect recipe for a quick and easy one. And without further delay, let's go into the kitchen. But before that, for those who are new, don't forget to click the subscribe button, because your support means a lot to me and I appreciate your support. And at the end of the recipe, please do not forget, after watching this recipe, do not forget to leave your comments below. If you are not sure about certain things, you may always leave your comments and I will respond according to my time, but it's not going to be delay. It is always on the spot. Sometimes it may be a few hours later, but I am there, always responding to your requests. What is this, what is that, and so on. And whoever is from the same city I am, if you are not sure to get the ingredients, where can I get this ingredients, where can I get that ingredient, do leave a comment also, so that I can always respond to your comments. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. To make this dal rice or sambar rice in a simple version, not the traditional version, I will be showing you the traditional version as well. We need 1 cup of raw rice, which is I have already washed and soaked and for a few hours, and I have 1/3 of urad dal, so washed and soaked as well. You can soak it for 2 hours, 3 hours, or how long. The best results is overnight. And I have 2.5 cups of water. This is the first set of ingredients that goes into the pot before we boil. The second set of ingredients are, I have asafoetida powder. I'll be using approximately about half a teaspoon to quarter teaspoon. And I have quarter teaspoon of turmeric, haldi or manjal, and I have half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and I also have the garlic powder of half a teaspoon. For those who are vegetarian who do not take onions and garlic, please avoid that. And those who are preparing this dish as a prasad or prashadam or naivedyam, please do not add this onions and garlic. And I also have 1 tablespoon of oil, and I also have 2 teaspoons, 1 to 2 teaspoons of meat curry powder. So let's begin how to make this. To begin, I'll add the urad dal. Apologies, it's not urad dal, but it is tur dal. And I always use urad dal, so it came out in my mind as urad dal. But it's tur dal that we're using in this recipe. You can use also mung dal, but the taste will be a little different. And we have the washed and soaked rice. And we'll add the water. And now we could start adding the ingredients. We'll add with the oil, and we'll add cumin seeds, the garlic powder and onion powder, and the meat curry powder, we have already added the turmeric powder as well, and now we will add the asafoetida powder. And I believe that I need some asafoetida powder. I'll be adding approximately about 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon. So usually it's by eyeballing. And I also am going to add some chili powder in it. And I'm using a chili powder about 1/2 teaspoon. And with this, we'll give a quick mix. And we will boil this approximately about 4 to 6 whistles. And so cover it with the proper safety. And make sure that the weight is on top. And I will see you guys when I have finished cooking the rice. And dear viewers, we are back again with the rice has been cooked well. So I'm going to mash it, but before that I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. And now we will mash it. And we have mashed it. Next we will be doing a tempering to add with this. So I'll be back I'll in a short moment. And dear viewers, I missed out one of the ingredients, which is salt. I'm going to add approximately about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You may add more or less. And I'll be mixing it. Also again, I missed out this ingredient, but it's okay. We could mix it up anytime. Okay, this is done, the mixture of salt, and now I'll be transferring them into another bowl, and we will see each other shortly. To begin the tempering, always as usual, we'll add approximately about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. This is a very simple tempering, nothing complicated. And with that, I'm going to add approximately about 2 teaspoons of mustard seed, because the quantity of rice that I've made. So I'm just adding about 2 teaspoons of mustard seed. As the mustard seed starts to crack, so to prevent from splattering everywhere, just use a protector, which is a mesh cover, so it will protect a lot. So we'll wait until the mustard seeds get cracked. Dear viewers, the mustard seed has already cracked, and we'll add another about 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and we'll give a little saute. And with this, we will add 2 teaspoons of urad dal. You can adjust the amount of urad dal as how much you want as well. And we will just saute them with about 5 to 6 dried chilies, which I have it here. So always when you do the saute, preheat the stove on a medium flame, so it will not be overburnt or not, it would not be slow to cook. It will be just perfect. As the urad dal has changed its color, and now I will be adding about 1 to 2 sprigs of curry leaves. And at this point, we could add some asafoetida, a few dashes, maybe more, it's up to you how much ever you want. Approximately about 1/4 teaspoon, and just give it a quick mix, and your tempering is done, and you may turn off your stove and remove them from the stove. And dear viewers, the tempered spices can be added into this right now. And with this, you may add a little bit more of ghee, approximately about 1 tablespoon of ghee. And give it a quick mix. Mix it up until it's well combined, all the tempered stuff. Voila, this is almost done. And there we go, dear viewers, this is done, but we have to garnish it as well. And dear viewers, here is our end product, and we will garnish it with some cilantro or coriander, and this is all about. And dear viewers, this is our end product of the dal rice, which is a quick one, could be used as for offering of food for deities, for especially for some of the religious people who offer food for their deities and so on. This is a perfect recipe, and for those, if it's offering of food, please do not add onions and garlic. And other than that, it is perfectly. And for those who are from the Buddhist side, you may not also include onions and garlic, but the rest of the ingredients you can include, the ghee and everything. And those who are allergic to dairy or vegan, you can omit the ghee or the unsalted butter. So this is what is our video is all about. For those who are with me, thank you very much, and those who are new, who are popping in, please do not forget to click the subscribe button, and also you can put your comments and also press the bell icon, and by this I can be notified and you can be notified when I upload any videos. So thank you for tuning for Friday Friendly Kitchen, and see you in my next video, and happy trying. Have a good food eat well, and stay healthy. See you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye.